Hi there and welcome to this video. This video is going to discuss the situation when you can't find the software you want under the software manager in Linux Mint. Therefore, you have to go external to find the software. When you go external to find software, it's important that you create a repository for this new software so that you can receive updates automatically. So let's take an example here. Picoscope. It's a program that runs an oscilloscope that plugs into USB, and it's for automotive diagnostics typically, or lab use also. And you notice there's no matches found. So we have to start up our browser and we'll search for it. We want the downloads. We want the download for Linux. So you got to be that specific when you're searching. And right here, Pico Technology, Linux software. So we click on that, and we'll see that right here we have Ubuntu 24 version. So Linux Mint is based on Ubuntu. Ubuntu is based on, but has slight changes to Debian. So you normally want to use Ubuntu packages if you can't find it in the software manager. So we're going to click on Ubuntu, and now it shows you have to do these terminal commands. I know nobody likes terminal commands, but it's not that hard. Simply start up our terminal. Copy and paste. Copy this in. Paste. And hit enter. It's that simple. I'm not going to hit enter because I already have it installed. So you do that one first, then you do item 2, configure your repository. And item 3, also when you configure your repository, you also set your keys so that it's a secure connection. Then you go ahead and do updates, and you install Picoscope by copying and paste. It's not difficult at all. The point I want to make is that you do have to use a repository to install this program properly. And if you're curious about repositories, we have a previous video on system reports, but we'll bring it up here again. Start up system reports, you're going to check for any flag reports from the system. We've got 2. We've got install hardware drivers. We've got a new version of Linux. But I'm interested in the system information. We scroll down here, tons of information about your system. The part right here I want to talk about is the repository. This shows all the different repositories your system has signed up for. And you notice right here, Picotech keyring, and that Picotech repository. So we do have an official repository now, and that's what we're striving for. So this concludes this short video. If you're going to install something that's not approved by Linux Mint, make sure you do it properly with the repository. If you can't get a repository, you probably shouldn't install it, because now you've had issues with updates. So that concludes this video.